area. That's where we stayed, which is the Carney Palm Beach Resort. The arena is next door, and then another Carney is there as well. You're allowed to wear swimwear and bikinis and things like that down this beach, but they ask you to be respectful of the culture and not wear them at the local beaches. So this goes all the way through from this point to this point here, and then the next bay along, which we'll show you now. What's cool about staying in one of these resorts on this side is that there's beachfront restaurants all the way along. They do a la carte and buffet, and they also have heaps of live music options at night time. You can see they're starting to do some extra work here as well. Hey, good, how are you? This is the other side of Bikini Beach. You can see they have stages set up for the live performances at night time. And they also set up private dinners here. They draw big love hearts with candles and everything at night time. It's pretty beautiful and awesome. So this one slightly faces in a different direction, so you've always got a beautiful beach that's protected by the wind. Just stunning. They're building a big picnic island over here. Not exactly sure what that will be, but I'm assuming it's a place for tourists and locals to go. Maybe even for a drink. We'll have to wait and see.
Alright everyone, this is just a quick look at the water sports. We've got jet skis. Here's one of the local gurus. Guru! Hey! Here's our rake man. Hey rake man! He rakes everything all day. Look, everything's raked. There's all the jet skis. There's our mate doing some lifting. Skis, here's all the restaurants. Mr. Octopus is one of our favourites. There's the lads. Hey gentlemen! Phew! Very good. More skis, more restaurants. There's our tour man. Hey buddy! There goes a madman on a scooter. All the locals are only allowed to ride scooters. They don't give scooters to the tourists for some reason. There's no alcohol, so there's no reason why. There we go, there's a local barbie going on. There we go, what are we cooking? Some octopus. The local octopus. Smells good. You catch that, mate? Yeah. Woohoo! Very good. Couple Russians. Oh, oh. Another tour guest. Hello. Fixing a ski. There's everyone out there on their skis. Probably running from the police, who knows. Stop.
Good job. So there's little restaurants all the way along here, all with cheap and good food. We've loved every single one of them. Water sports and tours all along the main stretch, and then the jetty is just down here. So here we have the jetty. This is where you get on for all your tours or transfers. All the porters meet you off the boat and take your luggage down for you or pick it up from your hotels. So there's no transportation as such on the island because you can walk around in about 20-30 minutes to do the full lap. It really isn't that far. But yeah, all the locals get around on motorbikes, but unfortunately you can't hire them. But yeah, this is the jetty.
These are all men cutting the fish. Hello. Got a local tuna, lots of tuna. There's the boat.
So we're headed up to the one bank and the one ATM on the island. It's right next to the hospital, and you just turn up this little alleyway here. It's pretty easy to find everything. Doesn't take long to have a short walk around all the streets. But this is, I guess, where all the locals live, and they've got the school and soccer fields. The island even has its own prison. There's just about everything. Here's the one bank and the one ATM. A little bit away from the tourist area, but not too far of a walk. They do charge 100 local currency per transaction, which is about $10. So you probably want to only be visiting here once or twice. This is the other end of the main strip. A little bit quieter, but still some really nice little restaurants. There's an ocean front. That's the new booze boat. We'll take you out there and show you later. Still lots to be developed. Lots of construction going on. I think this place is going to be really different in a couple of years. Lots of new hotels going in up there. More rooftop pools seems to be the theme. This little bar restaurant I think looks really cute. They have live music on in the evenings, and isn't it cute? The locals all really love their birds. Everyone's got awesome birds. Hey, look at you! Getting a local coconut.
You want one?